So today, guys, I'm unboxing this bathtub. It's from like 1869 or 1867. No one really knows for sure, but it's like really cool. So let's take a look at what this bathtub looks like. So from what I know, it's like 456 pounds exactly. And I do it up, and it says some letters on there. Yeah, see, it says like Toronto, Canada. The SS something, Muller, well, whatever. You can read that if you want. Just pause the video. So anyway, time for the unboxing. I just get ready. Actually, not that heavy. Oh look, there's stickers. Here, now come over here. You need to see this. Oh, pretty nice. It's a pretty good bathtub. See? So you can see there's all these beautiful stickers on the bottom. There's like a drain thingy. There's some like dents and scratches on the side, but you know, you can paint that. But like you see, you know, that's still in good working condition. Actually, I'm probably gonna be the first person ever sit in this in like 510 years. I just stabilize it. So it's like a nice. I just need to sit on it.
You'll just fill up the big leaves. You're sitting backwards.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, that's the slanted end.
I thought you were supposed to sit this way. Anyway, it's really nice in here. Nice and warm. Cozy. I think a nice heated bathtub. Okay, so now we're gonna be flipping it back over. Keep in mind, this thing's like 456 pounds, so that's pretty heavy. Okay. And right here actually looks like someone painted over it, which means it's good. There's actually a small crack there. As you can see on the side, I never really noticed this. It's actually painted white. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's painted white. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Yeah, well, that's the video.